What up, FPV enthusiasts? So I'm almost to Propsoff field here. I'm gonna meet up with him to pick up the DJI 04 race quad that he built for me. So I've raced tiny whoops, and that's it when it comes to racing. So jumping into this has me a bit nervous. So I have no idea how this is going to go. So when I fly my 5-inch quads, I actually fly like anywhere from 15 to 25 degree camera angle. So jumping straight into 45 on a 5-inch race quad has me quite nervous. It's going to be interesting. So all right, yeah, let's get to the field. Let's get a look at this this beast of a race quad.
Have you ever flown something like this?
My 5-inch are between 15 and 25 degree camera up
Okay.
tilt. That's what I was saying in my intro to my video on the way.
When you come around to see the ground, because you're looking up, right? So you're having to come in. You don't want to disarm like this, because then you're gonna hit your props into the ground.
Yeah.
So what you want to do
I'm
is
probably going to do.
circle around out there, circle around till you're close to the ground like this, and then just tilt it up, and then disarm it, so it falls on the battery.
So what I imagine I'm going to do the first time is I'm going to be out here, I'm going to spiral and then just disarm and drop like 10 feet.
Don't do that.
All right, guys, wish me luck. I'm going to fly the first pack on my
It's gonna be too much fun.
04 5-inch race quad. I'm a whoop racer, not a anything else racer, so this is going to be interesting. All right, we'll set this down and yeah, let's just see what happens.
Straight up and out. Rock and roll. How smooth that thing is.
So good. Looks so good too.
What do you think?
Get used to that. It's faster than you think.
Yeah, it's faster than you think.
It flies great. It's just pilot skill right now.
What are you thinking about it?
I love it.
Huh?
I can see every dandelion in this field. I can count
That's
them.
crazy, isn't it? What do you think about the quad? Does it feel nice and locked in?
Yeah, I haven't felt any prop wash at all.
No.
Brakes feel good.
Nice and solid.
Yeah, definitely looser than I typically fly, but I feel
I
like
do
that's
like it loose.
yeah, I feel like that's kind of important for a race quad like this. I just need to adjust.
Very first gate looked like a success to me.
Kind of corkscrew there. I don't think I'm flying the course right.
That's
but
okay.
Fine. I'm just
Well,
trying to hit gate.
First pack, man.
What?
Yeah, it sounds good. Don't hear any oscillations at all. Now the fun part, trying to land 45 degree angle.
Well, let's try this.
What do you think, man?
How was that landing?
Yeah, it works. As long as you don't bend your props when you land, it's good landing.
I think I went down straight.
Yeah?
That was fun.
All right,
I was
what do you
nervous. I'm
think?
shaking.
Yeah? I didn't want to give it back to you today.
Yeah, now we need to get Propsoff a set of these goggles and build him one, right?
Yeah, one of these days.
All right, guys, so I flew a second pack. I got some DVR for it, but I didn't say anything before I ribbed. I crashed twice, nothing crazy. I just hit gates, went down. And let me tell you, crashing out and then having that bottom mounted battery, always landing upright, that is like unheard of from a freestyle pilot. All right, here, Propsoff is going to take off. Let's watch him. Let's see him. And he's off. All right, so we'll let him rip this pack. I'm gonna get a couple more in at least before I have to head out. But yeah, listen to him screaming out there. All right, guys, so this was my last pack and my fastest pack of the day. I'm just commentating over it just to kind of provide some audio since the 04 doesn't record any audio. So at this point I was feeling a lot smoother, definitely getting the hang of the quad and having a lot of fun. Massive shout out to Propsoff for undertaking this project for me. I hope he had fun with it. I know it's something that I could have done myself, but I felt like this would be fun for him to do, so kind of reached out, offered to let him use my gear and play around with it. So yeah, I hope he enjoyed it, and I know I enjoyed flying it. It was amazing, and I can't wait to get out and rip some more packs on it. So yeah, definitely, if you haven't already, head over to Propsoff channel. I'll have it linked in the description, and make sure you subscribe to him, because yeah, this is a lot of work for him, so he deserves it. Definitely does. Felt pretty locked in on this pack, except like right here I made a mistake, and then I believe right as soon as I get to the corkscrew I tried to look at my battery and got confused as to where I was at, because I'm not used to my battery being there on the OSD. So that's something I'm definitely going to need to change to get my OSD kind of where I'm used to having it. But yeah, so aside from that, I was definitely ripping this pack for sure. Yeah, just judging from like the first flight I did on it to, I think this was like the 8th pack. I put in 8 packs that day. Way better, got way more comfortable on it, so it's pretty awesome. Alright guys, so I'm the only one left here. I talking to people and then ripped the rest of my packs. Man, this thing is a lot of fun. That last pack, I felt locked in. That was fun. I don't even know what to say at this point. So I'm gonna go ahead, get packed up here, and head out. I don't think this is going to be a crazy long video, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This is actually my first experience with a 5-inch racing quad, so I think I did pretty good, honestly. Definitely room for improvement, and what better way to enter into 5-inch racing than with an 04 race quad? That's insane. I did go up with Propsoff, actually. He was flying analog. I think he went up on R8. I'm on R1, and like no issues. We both just went. It was great. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.